me how was your journey? How are you feeling? Are you feeling confident, low confidence?
No, I feel a very good confident on SQL right now. So like the concepts you were like teaching us, like in depth, like a small detailing, we were able to capture it very easily through the recordings and everything, like using our notes and the notes you have provided. Like it's having the like little concepts were there, like very clearly. So for me now, SQL is like intermediate. I need to practice more on it. So get it like more on it. Like overall, this SQL session, like it's well done actually. I feel in that way.
Okay, that's great. I'm glad
Actually,
that you like it.
we were feeling like you were taking the classes very deep, the concepts each day we know what we are going to study, like this is the flow we are going to learn in SQL that we get in this SQL session, like from starting to end point, like from like small base we started, and now we are in indexing, like it's like a big thing. So
Mhm.
we figured out everything by from step by step we figured out everything, and it was in a very structured way.
Awesome. That's good. So yes, that is how the learning should be from the basic, from absolute zero level to the highest level. This is still not the highest level. The highest level is endless. So yes, that actually helps you to understand all the things because the most important thing in your learning is to connect how one thing is connected to the other. If once you are able to track that connection, if that happens in your mind, then any business logic that is given to you, you would be able to crack. Maybe you will take 1 hour, maybe sometimes you might take 5 hours, but you will crack it by yourself. You do not have to be dependent. Now we have a lot of AIs and all which helps us in our journey. So what will happen if I know the connection, then I'll do it in a much faster way, and the information or the result that AI is giving, I'm able to understand that also really very fast. So that is very important. You definitely need to use technologies. I always favor technology that AI देखो, understand. But you understand what AI has done for you. Then only you would be able to create more logics out of it. Okay. So I'm glad that you mentioned about this, and this will definitely help you in your journey. So whenever you feel that you need to revise something, you don't have to revisit to the recording. Okay. Just check the notes. I tried to make the notes very detailed. It's almost a year hard work is there on that notes which I created, and I'm glad that it's going to help you all a lot.